Hey guys, so this is our final tutorial on how to make the NCW wallet, and this is what it would look like after you complete it. So let's get into it. So I'm going to attach the card slot pocket and the zipper pocket to the main body of the wallet. So this is the main body. I've decided not to use the foam that I had showed you in the first part when I put the exterior together, because I'm using a domestic sewing machine and it won't be able to handle the bulk. But if you're using an industrial machine, you can go ahead and add in your foam if you want to. I use heavy interfacing when I made my card slot pocket, so I think that will add the enough body to the wallet. So what you're going to do is place your card slot pocket in the center as I'm doing here. And what we're trying to do is to cover the raw edges of the card slot pocket. So you will place it there and make sure that you fold the side flaps in line with the sides of the flap, and make sure everything is in snug and neatly and pin on both sides. Then we're going to take this to our sewing machine and we're going to sew along the two sides using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and this will enclose the raw edges of the slot pocket. Okay, so this is what your wallet should look like at this stage. The card slot, the raw edges of the card slots are now enclosed neatly. So next we're going to add the zipper pocket. So fold your zipper pocket in half to find the center. Once you found the center, you will draw a line, an horizontal line, straight across that center. And then from that line, you will measure on both sides 1/2 inch, so that you will have a rectangle that is 1 inch wide. So after you've drawn your lines, you will have 3 lines. You will be sewing along the 2 outer lines and the sides to secure your zipper pocket to the body of the wallet. Tip: make sure to use an erasable pen when you're drawing your lines on your fabric. I'm using the Pilot erasable pen, which the ink can be removed with heat, or there's an eraser at the end of the pen that I can use to rub out the lines. If you don't have an erasable pen or marker, you can use tailor's chalk, which you can use a damp cloth to remove or just dust it off. So make sure you use something that won't leave the mark, okay? With your zipper pocket folded in half, you're going to line it up with the center of the card slot pocket. If you have some double-sided tape, you can place it along the fold in the bottom of your zipper pocket and stick it to the center of your card slot pocket to hold it in place for sewing. If not, use clips or pins to secure the pocket on top of the card slot. And then you will take this to your sewing machine and you will sew along the two outer lines and the sides that you've just drawn onto the zipper pocket, creating a rectangle and securing your zipper pocket to the card slot pocket of your wallet. Okay, so your zipper pocket is now secured onto your wallet. Okay, now we're going to measure from the edge of the side flap, from the bottom edge out towards the center, 3.5 inches and mark. You can see these markings on the instructions and you can follow along. If you don't want to use the exact markings, you can just eyeball it and, make things even up without having to do all of this. But if you're not sure, mark 3.5 inches up from the corners as I'm doing on both the side flaps. And this will be your guide as to where you will place the zipper pocket to secure the sides of your wallet. Now you will line up the zipper pocket with the marks you've just made on the side flaps. Use a clip to hold in place and you will line up all four sides of the zipper pocket with those marks. Please remember to give this video a like, and if you have anything to say in the comments, let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial, if it was helpful, if it was easy to understand, or if you have any questions that you would like to ask me in regards to making the NCW wallet. Please do so in the comments below. Okay, so this step is optional. I've decided to stitch the area between the sections so that when I open my wallet, everything won't fall away wide and spill. This is optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I'm gonna test it out on this wallet to see how it looks. So fold it back the way I just showed you, and you can sew it at your sewing machine. So I'm showing you here what I've done. All along the spaces, I sewed a little bit, not much, like a ½ inch in from the top edge. And now I'm going to take to the sewing machine to secure the zipper pocket between the folds. Now, if your machine can handle the bulk, you can use rivets to secure the sides. In my case, I hand stitched because my domestic machine just wasn't having it. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful to you and that you were able to understand how to make your NCW wallet. If you have any questions, as I said before, please leave them in the comment section. Remember to give this video a like so that the algorithm will share it with other bag making lovers that are interested in making this awesome wallet. Thanks to Emmeline Bags who created this pattern. Remember, you can go to that website and purchase your pattern and then come back to my video and follow along to put your awesome NCW wallet together. Thank you for watching, and make sure and watch all the different parts because I made different parts for each section of the wallet so that it will be easier for you to follow along. Enjoy and happy sewing.